Elon Musk and Tesla's impact on transportation is no longer news. But if we know one thing about the billionaire CEO, it's that he doesn't run out of ideas. This time, he's delving into housing. That's right, Tesla is in the news again. But it's not a new vehicle. Instead, it's a tiny house that is affordable, comfortable, and saves energy, just like their electric vehicles. And trust Elon, it is the best of the best. We're pretty sure you're not familiar with the concept of sustainable living houses, which is real? In this video, we will be taking you through everything you need to know about the new Tesla houses for sustainable living. Trust us, this is some future generation stuff, so make sure you stick around till the end. So Tesla has messed about and revolutionized the transportation industry on a global level. That's news from the 2010s, and understandably, the world needed it. At least all those EVs have played a part in reducing the rate of climate change. But this time, Tesla is hitting us with something we didn't even know we needed. Tesla's house for sustainable living is Musk's most recent project. Musk is surely a very busy man. He is definitely keeping up with his second richest man position. Elon Musk has revealed the tiny house. And while it wouldn't have all the technology that you'd expect from a sustainable environment, or actually from Musk, it would be small enough to fit into your daily life. In fact, Musk himself owns one of these tiny homes, which are less than half the price of a Model 3. Sounds like a pretty good investment plan, right? However, Musk seems capable of doing anything he wants. This time, his company, Tesla, isn't doing the direct building of these houses. These modest houses appear to be a gigantic project that Elon Musk cannot accomplish alone. So Tesla is collaborating with a brand that focuses on making these tiny houses called Boxable. Boxable is one of the companies attempting to increase the number of Americans who own manufactured homes. The basic idea is this. It expects to make houses cheaper and faster than other homes by building them essentially on an assembly line, similar to automobiles. In the meantime, a unique configuration that allows the homes to be folded reduces the cost and time of transportation and assembly. I can't think of a bigger market to disrupt, or a product with a bigger upside, said Galliano Tiramani, the owner of Boxable. He then added, "We have the ability to change housing on a global scale that the world has never seen before." The question of whether Tesla's alliance with Boxable for this project was necessary or not is a question for another day. For now, let's have a quick backstory on this new Tesla invention. People are interested in living in tiny houses for a variety of reasons. Some people want to simplify and downsize their lives. Others are drawn to tiny houses because of their low ownership costs and environmental sustainability. And some people simply think they're adorable. If you ask us, it's all of those reasons. The South African billionaire, Musk recently decided to sell his old house and nearly all of his properties in order to move into Boxable Casita, a small, sustainable, prefabricated home in Boca Chica, Texas, outfitted with cutting-edge technology. This was his first experience of the home, and he must have enjoyed himself for him to form a collaboration with a company shortly after. Though this house has not yet been released to the general public, Musk says he intends to sell it soon to alleviate the housing shortage. It would not surprise us if Tesla entered the sustainable furniture market, which will inevitably consolidate. Musk has fallen in love with the project of Box CEO Paola Tiramani, who is betting big on changing the housing market in the United States and intends to replicate it in other countries. And like we previously mentioned, whatever Musk wants, Musk gets. These Tesla houses are somewhat small, but we know that larger models will be built as the industry grows. How can you get your hands on one of these? Well, the house can be ordered like any other product, shipped to you, and installed in less than an hour. Imagine just ordering your house off the internet, like shopping on Zara, and it's shipped to you. Definitely worth every dime. While some processes may necessitate the use of lifting equipment for unpacking, the majority of work can be done by humans. So just get your friends together for a drink, put them to work, have a great time together, and still get yourself a house. This house is like a studio apartment inside a box that can accommodate 1 or 2 people. It is both environmentally friendly and energy efficient. After the outer wall has been removed, it can be converted into a floor, making the 2 side walls visible. And once the roof is removed, the entire structure can be covered. This temporary house has 5 rooms, a kitchen, a bathroom, a living room, a bedroom, and a media room. It comes fully equipped with appliances, refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, and so on. The plumbing, electric, and HVAC systems are all pre-installed. You heard that right. Your local utility companies will simply connect their services to the home. How about that for straight-up comfort? According to Boxable and Tesla, the house is energy efficient, flood-resistant, snow load rated, and hurricane wind rated. You will be able to go on that boys camping or road trip regardless of the weather. Now that sounds like a whole lot of fun, though we do not advise you to set out during extreme conditions. What else is exciting about these houses? You'd be glad to know that because of the low energy technology, your monthly energy bills will be as low as possible. Sweet! You'll be able to have fun while still saving more. Imagine your present energy bill being slashed in half. Quite a deal. Boxable also spent years prototyping the homes to ensure that they are made of non-degradable materials. Every home is constructed of steel concrete and EPS foam. You don't have to worry about damaging the environment or the ozone layer. You can actually say that you're playing your role in keeping the Earth safe. And you are. This is no surprise, really, if Musk is involved. And that's not all there is about this house. The home's walls, floors, and roofs are made of laminate panels and are also transportable on highways. During this time of housing shortage, many people would prefer these kinds of portable homes. For accurate numbers, almost 50,000 people have expressed interest in Boxable homes. And if we're being honest, it probably doesn't have much to do with Elon Musk's influence. Here's why. Before Musk joined the group, Boxable reportedly had a waiting list of over 40,000 people. In fact, a house had been built in 7 months by Boxable. And according to Boxable, the buildings can be connected or stacked to form larger structures. So this is not their first rodeo. When you've got all the details on such a wonderful invention, the major question is, how much do they cost? Remember, these houses are still in the development stage and are not fully on the market. However, the estimated worth is around $50,000. Putting everything into context, that's a reasonable price, given that its design is modern and technologically advanced, and it is a sustainable and environmentally friendly home. But when you think it can't get better, think again. Tesla's goal is for these sustainable homes to be worth around $10,000. That way, it's more cost-effective and can be gotten by a way wider range of customers. We agree, $50,000 to $10,000 is quite a gap to close up, but Musk is really serious and working towards making these homes available to everyone. So, we'll have to wait and see how that goes. But Elon isn't alone in this crusade for affordable housing. Boxable CEO Tiramani is also unequivocal as he said, the problem of homelessness must be addressed in the most effective way possible, meaning it should be affordable. For some parting bonus info, if you can afford it and don't mind waiting before ordering yours, you might be able to get a larger prefabricated building. That's even more than 2 bedrooms, so you can even fit your whole family in there. The purchase of Boxable Tiny House by Elon Musk is a huge endorsement of the tiny house movement. It demonstrates that someone who is extremely wealthy and can afford any type of home prefers to live simply in a small space. This will most likely inspire others to consider doing the same. We can't wait for these houses to be launched on the market and available for the general public. What do you think about this new house? Will you be willing to get one once it gets to the market? Let us know by typing yes or no in the comments section. Also, make sure you click on the screen now to watch another fascinating video.